The recovering arterial blood flow access to the rhomboid fossa causes restoring the HbA1c level in prediabetic patients. By Alexander Y. Shishonin, Alexander A. Vasin, Kirill V. Zhukov, Bagrat A. Gasparyan, and Alexander A. Wecher. The present study demonstrates the recovery of cervical vertebral arterial blood flow access to the rhomboid fossa causes the restoration of HbA1c levels for patients with prediabetic (pre-DM) conditions. HbA1c is formed due to the chemical condensation of hemoglobin and glucose, which are present in high concentrations in red blood cells. The first research results established a relationship between HbA1c and vascular complications. The measurement method used is HPLC. When measured in an NGSP-certified laboratory, a change in HbA1c of at least 0.5% is considered statistically and clinically significant. The observation is in good agreement with the consideration of the human body as a dissipative structure. Such consideration is the focus of the recently announced theory of centralized aerobic-anaerobic energy balance compensation, TCAA-EBC. According to it, observed connections between high blood pressure, HBP, and the lifted level of HbA1c can be linked to the obstruction of arterial blood flow access to rhomboid fossa, OAB-FARF, causing the delivery of incorrect information on blood oxygen availability. Below we provide detailed information on how in this case TCAA-EBC explains the very initiation of multiple chronic non-communicable diseases, NCDs, starting with type 2 diabetes mellitus, DM. Diabetes mellitus is a metabolic disorder reflecting the complex integration of body systems. Care must be taken in selecting the correct animal model for use in various in vivo experiments. Mouse models are used in experimental studies of obesity and type 2 diabetes to identify the role of inflammation, insulin resistance, and other potential treatments, and the knowledge gained from such studies has been accurately applied to humans with this diagnosis. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.